Let's take a few minutes to slow down and focus on the present moment. First, find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Close your eyes if you can and take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding onto. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. Once again, inhale and exhale. Continue breathing and bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations there. Slowly move your awareness down to your forehead, eyes, cheeks, and jaw. And let go of any tension you may be holding. Inhale and exhale. Continue scanning down your neck and shoulders, letting go of any tightness. Move your awareness down your arms to your hands and fingers. Notice how they feel and let them relax completely. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. It's okay if your mind drifts. Just notice it and return your focus to your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Take a moment to fully anchor yourself in the present moment. Notice the sounds around you, the sensations of the surface you're sitting or lying on, and the feeling of the air on your skin. Be fully present here and now. Continue breathing and take a few moments to just be. It's now time to set a positive intention for the rest of your day. Repeat silently to yourself. I am calm. I am present. I am at peace. Feel the truth of these words as you say them. I am calm. I am present. I am at peace. Let's take 3 more deep breaths together. Inhale and exhale. Inhale even deeper than before. And exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale. Slowly bring your awareness back to where you are. Thank yourself for taking these few minutes to just be intentional and kind to yourself. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and get ready for a fantastic day ahead.